This is the VD38 outdoor recreation watch with a floating LED panel on the side that you can control in all kinds of different ways. You've got a pull-down panel for changing your brightness, do not disturb, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, LED button. Give the whole light show right there. And guys, it's actually washing out. It's so bright with the camera. It's in beautiful, brilliant color. Has 8 different display options on it. They can be tied to incoming phone calls, booting up, shutting down, you name it. Watch can go off. They can still be running. Really incredible technology here. In addition to all of that, you got a side-out panel with a slide panel with phones, weather in your area, most recently used apps, messages sent from your phone, and of course your step count information for the day and 7-day averages. Heart rates in this one with a 24-hour chart. You got last night's sleep time. You've got weather in your area. You've also got a built-in music player with one of the best, richest speakers I've ever heard on a watch. Excellent in phone calls. It really sounds like a phone speakerphone. And of course all your walking, running, climbing activities that you want. Press to turn it off, turn it back on, press the bottom. You get all of your different activities on the watch. Your apps and things with calculators and business cards, music player again, female cycle tracking, there's blood pressure, there's heart rate, there's all of those things. And of course your dial contacts and even Siri and OK Google, ooh, I said it, your trigger words. And of course, your fun little LED side panel. For gamers, you're just going to love this one, and literally programmable to whatever you'd like it to do. Once again, it's the VD38 outdoor recreational watch, they call it. Check it out.